Phrasography, Part 36. In most. In most cases. In my own. In 9 cases out of 10. In no case. In one form or another. In one word. In order that the. In order to. In other directions. In other places. In other respects. In other ways. In other words. In our opinion. In person. In place of the. In possession. In questions. In reality. In regard to that. In regard to this subject. In relation to the. In reply to the. In some cases, in some countries, in some respects, in some way, in spite of the fact, in succession, in such matters, in such places, in that day, in that direction, in that matter, in that way, in the account, in the case of, in the circumstances, in the conviction, in the country, in the dark, in the direction, in the early part, in the first place,